everybody, and good morning. It is 6:30 in the morning on day 4 post-transfer, and I'm about to take a pregnancy test. Bear with me and I will do all the things I need to do. Alright, so I have done my thing. So I have a little dropper in my other hand. We're going to place a couple of drops here. Now I want you to know as well that I had what's called an HCG trigger shot, and with that trigger shot, that can actually read you a false positive for up to 14 days. So what I did do is I actually took a pregnancy test yesterday just to make sure that I didn't have any HCG in my system, and this here is the results of that. As you can see, that is a negative. So we're waiting for this one to do its thing. Now they are about 4 days, but not exactly 4 days because I transferred around almost 1 o'clock. So I'm expecting this to possibly be negative. I am going to do another one. I am going to be doing another test in the evening as well, because sometimes this is my theory. When I did my last transfer, it was in the afternoon a little bit as well, and I believe that maybe it's closer to the time that you transfer, or after you transfer, that the HCG might be better in your system. I don't know. I'm just rambling. I'm tired. I just woke up to go to the bathroom, so I figured I would take a test. Anyways, I will come back to you guys once this has finished doing its thing. Alright, here we are. This is the final result. It has finished doing its thing. Now you can't really see this on camera, but it is very, very faintly positive. I'll try to turn it at different angles for you. Maybe. It's hard to see it, but it's not showing up on camera. But it's totally there. It's a very, very faint line. It doesn't want to show up. I'm sorry. It's not working. But I will take another one. Now that I have a tiny faint positive. Maybe this evening or tomorrow. That is not focusing at all. Anyways, I'm going to take another one, and I'm just going to do a little series of these as I continue to go do each test, and I'll post the video once all of them are completed. And yeah, alright, so I can't even get a good angle for you to even see. It looks like a total negative on screen. Maybe if I go lower. Well, you can see a tiny little shadow of a line. I can find my fingers right there. A tiny little shadow line, maybe. That angle. I don't know. I can see it. It's tiny, tiny, and it's very faint. Yay! Something might be working. Alright, I'll come back to you guys later with my next test. Here we are, 12 hours later. It is 6:30 p.m. Just about to do my next test. I know I do put a lot of stuff in the tester, more than what I probably should, but I like to make sure there's enough in here. Just because. Alright, now I'm going to fast forward this while it continues to process. Alright, well there we have it. You can see that there is clearly a line there. I'm sorry for this camera being so shaky. It's hard to hold it still. There is obviously a line. It has gotten much darker since the last 12 hours when I took a test. I am very satisfied with this line. So I'm going to continue taking these tests every day until I get a line darker and darker. I now know that testing in the evening is the best time for these tests. Yay! Alright, day 5 at work. Here we go. It's not focusing. I'll come back when it's fully finished. Almost done doing this thing. As you can see, there's still a little bit of a line there, but it's very faint. slightly processing, it'll be slightly darker. I was hoping for it to be a little bit darker today. I mean, it has only been 2 hours since I last went to the bathroom, so we'll see what tomorrow brings. Alright, so here you can see all of my tests that I have done so far. Over here, you can see there's like a little bit of a line here, and then all the way over here, you can't see anything anymore. That could be because of my trigger shot that I had, or it could be just because nothing's showing up yet. At this point, I'm getting very disappointed and discouraged, and so I'm going to stop taking tests. With my previous journeys, I did see something by now, but that was twins, so maybe, you know, it's just slowly taking my system, or it's a slow grower, or whatnot. So I'm going to stop taking tests, and I'm going to see what happens at betas. So I hope you guys have a great day, and see you later. Bye.